Hey everyone! In 2026, Google Sheets still doesn't have a Share Only One tab button in the standard sharing menu. To keep your other sheets private, you have to use the Import Range workaround. This method creates a bridge between your master file and a new limited file that stays updated in real time. Step 1. Navigate to the bottom tab. We are starting at the tab bar. We do this because the specific controls for moving data are tied to the individual sheets, not the overall file menu. Go to the bottom of your screen where your sheet names, tabs, are listed. Click the small down arrow next to the sheet name you want to share, or right-click the tab directly. Select Copy to New Spreadsheet. A small pop-up will appear saying Sheet copied successfully. Click Open Spreadsheet, and you will now be in a brand new file that contains only that one tab. Step 3. Grant access to recipients. We are finishing with permission management. We do this to ensure the right people can see the file while keeping it hidden from the rest of the world. Click the blue Share button in the top right corner. Type the specific email addresses of your recipients. Choose their role: viewer, commenter, or editor. If you just want them to see the data without changing it, always stick with viewer. Click Send. They will receive an email link that takes them directly to this new single tab file. Step 4. Formula tips for copied sheets. The formatting fix. Sometimes Copy to loses column widths. To fix this, go back to your original sheet, copy the range, and in the new sheet, use Paste Special, Format Only. If your tab was pulling data from other tabs in your master file using simple formulas like import range, those formulas will break #ref because sheet 2 doesn't exist in the new file. Before sharing, you may want to highlight your data, copy it, and use Paste Special, Values Only, to turn those formulas into permanent text. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.